Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings and then in here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, and then erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. It then gives you this pop-up, permanently clear all data. Now we have a couple options here. We have erase but retain eSIM profile. So if you're using an eSIM, you can keep it but just get rid of all your photos, videos, downloaded applications and all that stuff. Or you can clear everything. This probably would be the option that you might want to utilize if you're getting rid of the device, so you're not going to be the one using it anymore. That's also what I'm going to be selecting. Next we have clear all data. We're going to just confirm that. It does give us a clear indication that it's going to clear basically everything. So all data including your eSIM information will be cleared permanently. This operation cannot be undone but won't be cancelled at mobile services. Well, not sure why the service plan is here. Now what it means by all data, it basically means, like I mentioned before, music, photos, videos, documents, downloaded applications, call logs and contacts and so on. Now anyway, I'm gonna select clear data, and as you can see it's gonna start erasing it, and then it's gonna reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and once it's finished we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.